if they kidnap you, if they kidnap you and they ask you whether you dey smoke, tell them say yes, you dey smoke. I repeat, if they kidnap you and they ask you say you dey smoke or you no dey smoke, tell them say you dey smoke. Na so you tell me, my friend. There comes a time I was with my friend in the house. This guy he can't just dey smoke anyhow, dey blow cigarette. You know there are different kind of smoking. The smoking get great. There are some smokes that come out from the nose, come out from the mouth. This guy just dey use that they make fun, go dey blow and cigarette go dey be like shadow. Then I can't call this my friend. I said to him, bro, back days in back days when I know you, they smoke like this before. They smoke. Anything we have to do with cigarettes, drinking, you dey run from out. But the way you can't just dey blow cigar, they blow smoke everywhere. You want to turn yourself to exhaust? Since when you can't start all those one? Guess what this my friend told me? He said, King. King. I said, yes, bro. He said, what you see now, you may not understand. He told me, he said, King, what you see now have a long story to tell. Long story dey under it. You can't tell me say if they kidnap you and they ask you say you dey smoke or you know they smoke, say tell them say I dey smoke. I say what? Say yes. You can't dey tell me say back then Nigeria na place be like say the country no easy. Men dey travel with land to make sure say they go that place, go find greener pasture. They go abroad, go find greener pasture. So he say now you join them. Say okay. See on their way to UK, Italy. Now some Arab people kidnap them. They kidnap them. So when they kidnap them, they according to them, they don't let them know say they kidnap them. They seem they no worry. They have come to help them. They have come to rescue them from danger. Now they carry them go one place. So as they reach there, all the pets where the Arab people they pet them come turn to brutality. You sit there, you come here, you. I said, but something that they call rescue also. Later it was not done on them. Say man, na kidnapping level. So the question when they ask them, hey, kind of compare, you smoke, you smoke, do you smoke? That was what he was asking them as Arabians. Do they smoke or you know they smoke? Those when they said we don't smoke, they carry them go one place. Then those when they said that they smoke, they carry them go one place. So they sorted them. But meanwhile, they were still in that place. They were still under bondage. They were still under they were still under their custody. You understand? So they were still being imprisoned. So now those people they say that they smoke, they can't give them preferential treatment. No, those who say they smoke, they go one place. Those who say they smoke, when they don't smoke, they can't give them one better care. They were feeding them with good food, good chicken. They will give them chicken and fried rice. Buy yogurt, buy Hollandia drink, good drink. You are bringing food for them. But one thing is, They separate them, they were seeing themselves. Those who were smoking, yeah, they inside one dungeon when they open, when they see the other people. Then those who even know they smoke also do the same area, but different dungeon. Where I see they see themselves. But the good treatment to those people who are not smoking, we are very, 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 very good. We are treating them very well. While those who said they were smoking, they treat them like riffraff. They were, the brutality self. Oh God. To an extent, those who said they were smoking, when they regret, say, I wish they know. Therefore, talk say they know they smoke. So, but one strange thing always happen every time. Despite the good treatment we are giving those who said they know they smoke, e get one thing always dey happen. They always dey pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of them. They go comot them from the cage, then take them away. Then those people wey dey carry go, they no go return. They will not return. Those people will not return. They no go return back. So now they come dey wonder those people wey dey comot, they free them. Abi where did they go? So they are making the other people make am secret. Now later one fateful day, say you come tell a guy say the way it is now, e be like say if the any of the kidnappers come again, e go lie tell them say dey smoke, or make go join those people wey dey dey smoke, so that they go receive the same professional treatment. If they free them, make dem still free am too. You understand? So you can't just discuss that one with one of your best friends when they were in the journey together. They sometimes say, no friend for this life. Oh. So the friend come say, "Nah, true, do am. But me, I'll just still remain here. Nothing will make me go tell them say I know they smoke. Oh, no. I know we won't try that. But you can try it. Maybe God can vindicate you. God can help you." So luckily, one of the kidnapper can just waka come. Hey you! If like say they come carry one of those people again, when they see they know they smoke. Then now this is friend when he tell say you go tell the guy say no they smoke. Oh, make they transfer am from that place when he dey go join those people when they know they smoke. So that his friend when he tell now, before he stand up make he even make the comment, that his friend don stand up. Hey, hello sir, please I have something to say. Even himself got surprised. Our agreement be say na me suppose to talk am o. Abi wetin you wan come talk again? Wetin he say he wan tell the Arab man kidnapper say he no dey smoke. If friend don dey talk am, sir please, what I said to you was a lie o. I don smoke o. I don smoke. I was just trying to see if people can save me, please. Sorry for lying. I don't smoke. Even this guy sef, he come got to sit down because wetin he wan talk, he friend already talk am, so make he no come talk am like be like say na plan work. So he come just got to sit down since him friend already smart am. Truly dem move him friends, carry am go join those wey don dey smoke. He come also come dey receive the same professional treatment, good treatment wey dey give those people wey don dey smoke. So this friend come dey like, so why is my friend go as smart me, go disappoint me like this? So this was not our plan now. And I'm supposed to first talk this thing first. Why you can't go first, me can't go talk am? Nevertheless, people were still collecting from those people who said they were not smoking. They carry them come out fast. But they don't know whether they free those people or they buy them. Now one day, if let's say the person where they work for, where they pay them, could just worker come in. Those people, as he just worker enter their midst, he didn't know the man who had secret at all said. Now I say, those in this place, who are they? Now the other people say, yeah man, they're smokers. Yes, they are smokers. I say, yes, yeah man, they are smokers. Say, can't we use their kidney? I said, no, their kidney is damaged. You cannot use them. They are smokers. You cannot use them. It's not advisable. I say, okay, who are those people here? I say, yes, they are not smokers. They are not smokers. We can use them. We have already taken 7 of them already. They have processed them for sale. Oh boy, it can't dawn on those people say, man, those when they sit down they smoke so they butcher them, go sell their kidney. You know how much to sell one kidney, Shay? So if you see most kidnappers now these days, they're not even after just the money, the ransom. They butcher those people, take their kidney, go sell them. You see generate money. So if you know how much one kidney they cost, then you go know how much 2 kidneys be. So most of those people who dey to butcher wey dey catch some days, say some months ago, I don't know them, who hear say they butcher innocent girl, innocent boys. Most of them may not just be for rituals. It could be na see this kidney business that themselves dey do, wey they go butcher human being, take the 2 kidneys, go sell them. But when they catch them, they go use all in the name of rituals. No one go talk say na kidney na they sell. That will be a secret forever. Now wisdom I give una so. So some people go say na ritual, na yahoo boys. Nobody know them be yahoo boys. Most of them are into kidney selling. They go butcher person, carry the kidney, go sell them. You don't ever ask yourself, say, when they say person, somebody is suffering from kidney problem and they need kidney transplant. You don't ever ask yourself, say, those people, when they say they want to do kidney transplant from, the replacement of these kidneys, you know, the way that they come from. Have you ever asked yourself? Yes, we understand that some persons volunteer their kidney, but not all of them they will tell you. There are some will be like say, man, they carry kidney for unknown place, come sell, and they go buy in a big amount of money. They go find one light, tell those doctors, say, see. They go buy. You know how much one kidney costs? So this my guy, when they say they smoke, the truth is that he's not a smoker. You understand me? Because the Arabians were smoking, he could just got to say I dey smoke, so that they will feel say he belong to them. But he's not a smoker. But the God when he thank, they say they don't say let's test them, let's give them cigarette to smoke. They say it would have just been done on him, say, man, this guy not be smoker. They don't test them. That was the only thing. So those who say they call it smoke, those people who say they are not smokers, they use most of them. They remove their kidneys, kill them, they buy them. Then those who say they be smokers, they ransom the people, their family members, make they send money come. So those who say they feel afford the ransom, if you afford the money, they set them free. They left. But those people who they say they not be smokers, they don't even call their family members. Now they buy the remove kidney come out. So that was how. Before then, he can't learn how to they smoke. So meanwhile, he can't they normally those people where they smoke, they buy cigarettes from those Arab people. So he calls they learn now because they say let's test them, let's see if they're actually saying the truth. Like he too no go done on him saying, man, this guy is not a smoker. He consider by the learner. So he can't date there, I think see for 2 years, I've been saying 1 year like that. If not mistaken. Now he can't say smoking, they can't be a habit. Even when they don't set them free, he don't return back to Nigeria. He could not leave smoking. He can't turn smoking to habits. This guy can't be done for smoking. So now I can't tell me, say, bro, no matter they kidnap you, they kidnap you. Once kidnapper asks you, say, do you smoke? Yes or no? Say, tell them I smoke. Sometimes I will smoke 10 sticks, 15 sticks daily. So that is the only way. So what do you mean they ask you, do you smoke? Yes or no? Just know say they are kidneys reapers. Tell them, say, I smoke. That is the only way you can be set free. If not, say, just tell them. If you say yes, if you say you don't smoke, just tell this word, say bye bye. That's the end. So my prayer for we all is that me will no jam such, me will no even meet kidnapper for this life, me will no enter such mess. So that's what they say in this life. You get one song when they always they hear on social media. As you dey hustle, try and pray to God, oh my brother. Uno bagana me see yo. But I just love the lyrics. As you dey hustle and pray to God, oh my brother. Uno bagana me see yo. I say, wow, this song is lovely. Anything you are doing in this life, any hustle you dey hustle, are you a businessman? Are you a marketer? Are you an entrepreneur? Are you a civil servant? Are you working on any business? Anything you are doing, we all who would hustle for this life, for this Nigeria, any place we would do for this world. Now make we fulfill our daily bread. More if we put food on the table, more if we do better thing for ourselves. Now be all those hustling. Meanwhile, as you dey hustle, even in the midst of the hustling, you can encounter danger. So as you dey hustle too, still dey pray to God, say God help me, because na hustling and prayer go together. Na hustling and God na e go together. No hustle forget God. Don't hustle and forget God. As you dey hustle, still dey do God work too, still dey do God own too, because na only God be the giver of success, and He is the only way to success. So anything you dey hustle for this life, any work, any job wey you dey do, any good job wey you dey do, still dey pray to God, so that you no go meet such danger wey this guy meet, because his aim was to be a better person, earn better money, and do wetin good things wey he make dey do too. Now he take encounter danger, but because he was praying to God, na God take vindicate am, not knowing say God was rescuing him. He felt he was in trouble. The trouble wey himself wan enter, na him friends wey himself he be wan enter that trouble, say bye bye to him life. Na him friend over sabi use head carry the danger wey himself he wan carry. So what am I saying? In this life, anything you are doing, pray to God. Pray to God. Only God fit save man. Only God be the giver of success. So he say king promise, if they kidnap you and kidnapper come ask you, say you dey smoke, do you smoke? Tell them yes. Just know they are kidney reapers. Kidnapper who are not into kidney business will not ask you, do you smoke? Instead, they will say, who are your family members? Let them pay so amount of money. They will call your family members, maybe they send so amount of money. But what make them call, they ask you, say, do you smoke? Yes or no? Just know say na kidney reapers, that they be kidney business people. So I know this post has blessed you in one way or the other. What I'm gonna do for me, I'm gonna just share this post. You get some persons where this post go help later in future. It might not be you, but you can do it to people help by sharing this post. Anybody can be such mess, and with this post they go know the right thing to say. Share out to your family members, to anybody can be a victim, but we don't pray for anybody to fall victim, but it can happen to anybody. So help people today by sharing this video. I am King Promise, Super Story Movies. God bless you. Enjoy.